Hi and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'll show you how to change earpads for these Sony headphones. If you've been using these headphones for quite a while, you will see this level of degradation and pieces of the earpads will start falling off. If you're looking at the video and saying, hey, they look like my headphones but they're slightly different, worry not, because this technique can be applied to most of the headphones you'll see on the market. Once you have fully dedicated yourself to this task, you should probably start by measuring out the diameter for the earpads. Standard sizes are 55, 60, 65, 70 and so on, all measured in millimeters. Let's say you have 66 and 63 millimeter diameters, then you'll just have to buy a pair of 65s. Then open up eBay and type in replacement earbuds with the specified size. Choose which you like and can afford and purchase them. Once they do arrive, it's recommended that you check their size in case they have sent you the wrong pair. When it comes to removing the old ones, it's quite easy. Just grab them by the corner and gently pull. Brush off all the excess dust so they wouldn't get in the way later on. When putting on a new pair of earpads, gently pull them so they would expand. This will make it easier to slide them on. They shouldn't break as long as you don't use all of your body's strength. Hook one of the corners in the gap and then the rest of it should slide on smooth without any hiccups. Looks great. Now do the same for the other side. Simply repeat all the steps and you should be fine, as long as both earpads are really the same size. And about $5 have made your old headphones look new. Hopefully they function correctly, and if not, check out one of my other tutorials on how to repair any technical problems you might encounter when it comes to sound output. If you found this to be helpful, like this video because it makes it easier for other people to find it too, in case they run into the same issue.